Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Xoom application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Xoom and search. Look for this application from Xoom Corporation. Tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Wait for the application to download and install, and then you will be able to open Xoom Money Transfer app on your iPhone. The Xoom Money Transfer is a convenient and secure way to send money internationally directly from your phone or tablet. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.